Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to highlight duplicates in Microsoft Excel. Let us see how to do it. In first step, select the area in which you want to find duplicates. We will select these two columns, or you can click into the left top corner to highlight all the sheet. From the section styles, choose conditional formatting, highlight cells rows, click on duplicate values. Excel will immediately highlight duplicates. In our table here, we can see the duplicates. Here in the drop down, you can switch duplicates into unique. Now if you back to duplicates, we can change color formatting of the highlighted data. Now click OK. The duplicate is highlighted in the table. Now if you wish to turn off highlighted data, back to conditional formatting, clear rows from entire sheet, highlight duplicates has been removed. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.